Listen, I won't take up much of your time. I've been where you are, so I'll keep it brief and straightforward. This is about a 50-day plan I created to help you transform your life for the better using just one guiding principle. By focusing on 5 areas of your life, you can become the person you've always wanted to be. Let's start with the first and most important area, the core reason for your burnout and low mood. This is our starting point. You'll dedicate 10 days to each area, with each stage's habits and skills continuing as you progress. This gradual approach will keep you energized and help you avoid burnout from the very start. Picture it like building a house. First the foundation, then the walls, and so on. Here, our main goal is to mentally prepare to step outside your comfort zone. This phase is both the simplest and most challenging. To begin, structure your day to ensure you get 8 hours of sleep. No excuses. Whether work or studies, aim for at least 8 hours. To make time, start a dopamine detox. Not only will this improve your mental state and energy, but it will also give you 2 to 3 extra hours in the day. This can be challenging, as your social circle might encourage you to go out often or waste time. That's what makes this first stage tougher. Start distancing yourself from this environment and get used to spending some time alone, as the next stages will require it. Solitude may cause anxiety, so try to practice breathing exercises at least every other day. There's plenty of information online, but I specifically use diaphragmatic breathing for relaxation and lung health. For the first 10 days, focus on stabilizing your sleep, beginning a dopamine detox, centering your attention on yourself, creating distance from your current social circle, and practicing breathing exercises. With these foundational habits, we can proceed to the next phase. We've set the groundwork, and now it's time to build strong walls. Your physical body plays a big part in first impressions. It can enhance your status because others can see your commitment and discipline. Start with physical exercise, setting aside at least 30 minutes a day, and opt for walking when possible. This helps with fitness and gives you fresh air. For a serious commitment, consider joining a gym. Home workouts can feel repetitive, requiring equipment and daily discipline. The gym provides diverse equipment and guided programs, either self-chosen or trainer-led. I personally go to the gym every 2 days for 1 to 2 hours, and on off days, I do cardio. To fuel your workouts, you'll need energy, so focus on eating well. I know this may sound dull, but try cooking your meals when possible. This way you control the amounts of fats, proteins, and carbs you eat, tailoring your diet to your needs. Your body will be grateful. But what will keep you motivated? Your mindset, of course. So why do all this? Besides,